your students may not know.
At how to find your grades in Schoology, really to see what things you've submitted and what things you haven't submitted yet. So the first thing you'll do is on the Schoology page for the course, you'll click underneath where it says materials and updates. There's a section that says grades. Go ahead and click that. And that'll take you to a page that looks like this. Okay, so these little categories are designed by your teacher, so it may be different for every teacher. But what you want to look at are all of the assessments and assignments that you need to submit. Okay, so there's a couple different things we can look at. If you have a little piece of paper, that means it was something you had to submit. Okay, and if you see that little piece of paper, that means you submitted it. And then you'll see your score, whether it's like 4 out of 4, 9 out of 9, whatever it is. Okay. I also want you to notice that when you see a line like this, that means nothing was submitted. So that's a great way for you to check and see what projects or assignments or quizzes or whatever it is you might be missing. And then the good thing is, whatever it is, you don't have to go dig in the old work folder and try to find it. This link will take you right to the assignment with all of the instructions. If you see a little piece of paper that shows that you submitted it, but there's no score there, that just means the teacher hasn't graded it yet. If it's been a while, you might want to take a look at it and see if maybe you submitted the wrong assignment and check and see if there's any comments from your teachers. Okay, so I hope this helps everybody see the easy way how to keep track of all their assignments and making sure they have everything submitted.